You may think air ambulances are only needed for extreme emergencies, but the truth is they are used for a wide range of medical situations. In this video, we will cover the most common reasons why people would use air ambulance services. To learn more and stay prepared, check out the rest of our videos on this channel. So why would someone need an air ambulance? There are many different reasons why people would need an air ambulance. Number one, emergency medical transport. If you're in an accident away from home and you have a long distance transport that is not going to be met by a helicopter or ground ambulance, air ambulance services would be great fit for your need. Number two, specialty care centers, specialty treatment services. If you are looking to get a specialty treatment center at a cancer center, eating disorder facility, or long-term rehabilitation that is in a long distance, air ambulance is a good resource for you to have as well to move your patients. Number three, closer to home. If you are not near family or would like to be closer to family, then air ambulance services is happy to transport you within the U.S. or internationally as well. The number four reason why you would need air ambulance services is to be transported closer to family or friends for end-of-life care. Patients who often want to travel long distances to be closer to family or end-of-life care rely on an air ambulance service to get them to where they are comfortable. Number five, air ambulance can be needed for post-surgical complications. If you need to be back at the facility you received your first surgery from or to a different facility in a timely manner that is in a long-distance transport, then air ambulance services are for you. Number six, evacuation purposes or emergency situations of a disaster. Natural disasters can happen at any moment in any country. Whether you need to go back home or to another country to get out of the situation for the natural disaster, air ambulance may be the best option for you or your patient. Number seven, we all think about the tiniest patients, whether they're neonates or pediatrics that need to be moved to a higher level of care or specialty center. Air ambulance is able to provide you with those services to go long distance or to that specialty center for specialty care. Four common medical emergencies that may require air ambulance. Number one, severe trauma and injuries. Number two, heart attacks or strokes. Number three, organ transplants. Number four, respiratory distress or failure. Those were just a few examples, but there are so many unique reasons of why air ambulance could save the day. Who may need air ambulance service? Simple, easy. The general public. Everyone, anyone, at any time may need air ambulance services. The patients who may need to be transferred or transported for specialty care services, critical conditions, long-term illnesses, things of that nature that patients seek to find extra care or another available care in another state, city, or country. For example, patients with critical conditions, patients seeking advanced care or higher levels of care, rehabilitation, or specialty services are the ones who are seeking air ambulances. Additionally, travelers, tourists, repatriations, expatriations are all who will be seeking air ambulance. Whether you're in the U.S. or internationally visiting another country and would like to receive care back home or closer to home, those patients rely on air ambulances to travel further distances. Finally, hospitals and disaster response teams can benefit from air ambulance services. The hospitals are looking to help their patients get back to their state or country that they came from or that they are accustomed to. Disasters. In the event of a disaster, flooding, hurricanes, that the hospital may not be equipped to take that particular patient or have the patient stay in the facility, the hospitals will then transfer the patients out to make room for other patients coming in. The biggest question we get is, can the air ambulance transport cost be covered by insurance? This is a very, very tricky subject. Although it can be covered if it is an additional benefit within your service line, sometimes it's not always covered through everyone's insurance. These situations on whether insurance will cover or can cover your air ambulance transport will be looked at by a case-by-case basis, so please check your insurance plan to see if air ambulance coverage is in your plan. What do you need to request an air ambulance? The demographics will include date of birth, patient name, what city you're flying from or country, and what city or country you would like to go to, patient diagnosis, and the patient's insurance if possible. As much information as you can provide us when you call or fill out the information online, the quicker we can respond to your request with the valid information that you have provided with us about your patient, then we can get back to you with a quote on our air ambulance services. Whether the patient is yourself, the hospital, or a relative, anyone can request a quote for air ambulance services.